Hello creative friends. So I just got this yesterday. It's the Inktober collection box from Art Snacks, and I did open it to see what was in there, but I wanted to open it to show you guys as well. So when you open it, let's see if I can maybe turn it around. Can you see that? Well, maybe I can do it like this, as long as that doesn't get in the way. So when you open it, you get a pouch, and in this pouch was the card here, which has the 31 days, and it shows you all the products that are in here and the price and everything. And so that was actually in the pouch. I took it out and was looking at it. And then there's an offer for a class with Jake Parker. That you can go online, and it gives you the password for that to take the class. And then, oops, dumping out everything that's in the pouch. There's a brush. You can see that, a little brush. There's these aqua inks in blue. It looks like a turquoise and then like a lime green. And then there's the Liquitex ink in black. There is a Posca pen. It's a white Posca pen. Love Posca pens. And then there's a Copic marker. And then they give you a little Inktober sticker and candy. Also in the box is this cotton Linux pad of paper. And they give you a journal. And it looks like, I haven't opened this yet, it looks like it's got one of Jake Parker's drawings on it. I want to open up and look at it, but I didn't open up anything. I just kind of peeked. You know, it's like Christmas. It's hard not to peek. When I opened it yesterday, well, if I can get into this, that would be helpful. I hope you don't hear that. Maybe you do. My husband's out mowing the yard, of course. So let's see, get this open. This is real similar to what was in the kit last year. Last year it was just black and setting and had Inktober across the front. And this year it looks like it's a drawing from Jake Parker. And then, yeah, it's pretty much the same, just with a, you know, something different printed on the front. And then it came with this, looks like a pencil case. Put your stuff in, and it's got embroidered on the side, Inktober. So yeah, nice little pencil case. I know right now there's a lot of controversy about Jake Parker plagiarizing. I've watched the video from the other artist. Some of the, you know, his points are compelling, but I am reserving my opinions at this point. I ordered this kit before I heard about any of that, and it might have even been before any of that came out. I don't know if I knew ahead of time if I would still order the kit or not. I mean, I might have, because, you know, I was looking forward to Inktober again this year and doing it. I've done it the last couple years, and I do plan on doing it this year as well. I never follow the prompts though. I always do my own thing. I mean, what I like to do is kind of different, you know, than what the prompts, you know, allows me to do. Let's see, let me show you. actually have my Inktober kit sitting right here by me. Let me put this other stuff away. Let's set this aside for now. Last year, this is my Inktober kit from last year. So I ended up ordering this bag on Amazon, and then I stuck a sticker on the front. I don't remember what, I think it was 31 was the bag. And then I put all my stuff in here. And it, you know, last year it came with the full set of markers, which this year you didn't get that. You got the inks, which I guess is okay. But yeah, I guess you get the aqua inks, which is interesting, so it'll be fun to play with those. But yeah, this is the book from last year, and they just had Inktober print on the front. And then you can see here, I like to do animals, so I just, you know, did animals. And for, you know, last year I wanted to add color, so you can see I added color, and I used different mediums because I wanted to play around with, you know, colored pencils, you know, ink pens, and that's colored pencil as well, and then watercolor, that's colored pencil, this is watercolor, and then ink, white ink pen, colored pencil. So I mean, I was just playing around watercolor with different mediums, markers, colored pencil, to add color to my drawings from last year. So I was going to my plan was to use this again for this year and continue on. I should have continued on and did something anyway this year. Maybe, you know, it would have been nice to do, you know, at least a drawing every week, you know, and fill this up. I was planning on, like I said, saving it and filling it up with Inktober this year. But I ordered the other kit, and so I will, you know, use that journal that came with that kit. And yeah, I'm just gonna have to start pulling this out more often. And I keep saying this every year and all the time. I want to try to spend more time drawing and just enjoying, you know, drawing. So I do want to continue with this and try to fill it up and do it more often. But this year has been tough with the pandemic, as everybody knows, and I've been having a really hard time even getting motivated to do anything. And if you follow my channel or followed it for any amount of time, I'm sure you might have realized, maybe not, I've not really posted a lot of videos this year simply because I'm just not feeling it, you know, I'm just not motivated. I joined a couple classes, and I can't even keep up with those. There's just been a lot going on. So anyway, I just wanted to show you the unboxing of the Inktober for this year. And yeah, I thank you for stopping by and watching, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.